Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video where I am doing a makeup look inspired by the gingerbread cookies and gingerbread house, and I basically create this makeup look. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. I cannot believe that Christmas is already next week. And I know that for those of you who celebrate the 25th, I don't. I celebrate the 24th. It is not exactly next week. But for those of you who do the 24th like me, Christmas is next week, guys. Next week. I am looking forward to it. The presents, the food, everything, the decorations, the family. It's gonna be so great. And for today, I'm doing a gingerbread themed inspired makeup look, and I'm not drawing gingerbread men on my face because I want this to be something we can wear everywhere we want to. So I want it to be a wearable makeup look for every day if you want to do that in the Christmas season. Or if you want to use it for an event, that is completely up to you. Now, I want to use one eyeshadow palette to achieve this makeup look and an eyeliner that is white. To start off with, I'm going to start with the brown of the gingerbread, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Game of Thrones Mother of Dragons, and I'm starting with Dothraki, this one right here, and I'm starting with a big fluffy brush just because I need, like this one, because I want it to go a little bit above my crease, nothing too crazy, just slightest bit, and I need it to be more intense on my eyelid, so I think I want to go over with my finger afterwards just to achieve this. Now what I want to go ahead and do is use a a round firm brush like this one, and I want to go in with the same eyeshadow palette, but this time I'm using Saddle, which is this one right here. And for this color, I just want it in the outer corner. Then I want to take my Essence eye blender brush like this one, and I just want to blend this very slightly because the colors are already meshed well together. So it's basically in the outer corner where I want to focus the blending. Then I'm taking my Catrice waterproof eyeliner pencil in the shade 020 Tweet White that looks like this. It's a pencil. And for this, what I want to do is I want to draw a line in here and here, creating a kind of cut crease, but it's not cut crease, it's just detailed work. The great thing about using white is that I can now go in and clean up the lines. So I'm using the eyeshadow that I used, and I'm using just a flat brush or a angled brush just to achieve the cleaning up of the lines. And then I'm taking my angled brush that looks like this one, and I am taking the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the shade Blood, which is this one right here. For this red, you want to put it on the lower lash line, and you want to have a little space between the white line and the red line, just a tad, and wing it out just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Just, or maybe I will go crazy, I don't know, but wing it out and that's it. Just put it on your lower lash line. And then I decided I want more red, so I'm taking a small detail brush like this one. This is just a painter's brush from a dollar store, and I'm taking the same red and I'm drawing 3 dots right here. And then it's on to mascara, and I am first going to be curling my lashes. And then I am taking my Maybelline the Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I'm putting that on my upper lashes. I want to brighten my inner corner, so I'm taking the NYX Strobe of Genius and I'm using the purple, which is this one right here, and I'm taking a small detailed brush like this one, and I'm putting this in the inner corner, avoiding the red circles obviously. And then the last thing I will be putting on, I'm just making sure I don't have any eyeshadow residue on my face, but the last thing I want to do is take the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this and set my face. So there you have it, gingerbread inspired makeup look. I do realize that it can also pass as Rudolph makeup look just because of the color choice and the dots, but this is to me a Christmas cookie. And so with that, that is all I have for you today. And if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!